Welcome to 8145 Grande Shores and the coveted neighborhood of Lakehouse Cove of Waterside.
This house boasts just over 4,000 square feet. It has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. Come take a look.
We have a built-in fireplace with some beautiful shelving.
Beautiful eat-in kitchen with gas cooking. Nice oversized sink. Plenty of room for everybody to sit and eat. All soft close cabinets, tons of drawers and place for storage.
This is the second story of this home. This is the bonus room. We've got the wood look tile floors. This is large enough to have a second, basically family area. Lots of natural light with trade ceilings. We have a full bathroom back here along with a very large bedroom that overlooks the back of the home.
We have our bedroom number 1 over here with an ensuite. All the closets have California closets. Very nice size rooms. 10-foot floor ceilings. This house is just so warm and welcoming.